support at 2200. Silver has seen a sharp fall, as I said. Below 2200 we may see it failing, we may see it falling sharply, and that is what has happened. In fact, it has breached the support at 2100 too. Now what is going to happen next week? This is what we'll try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And the answer or the question which we'll try to find out is this: whether officially silver is going to enter into a bearish territory or it is going to drop more. We'll try to see the answer to this. Yes, do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on silver as well, along with global markets and commodities including gold, natural gas, crude oil, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100 Germany and India index also on the daily basis. So do press the bell icon. And yes, I welcome you all. I am Ankit, and yes, welcome to my channel. Let's start the day with silver's analysis here. This is on the weekly charts. This was the fourth consecutive week on silver where we have seen sharper red candles, and this time in fact it has well breached below the 2100 levels, however closing above this, but yes, it has already seen the 2050 close to levels. But look at the previous candle. If you look at, see, it has opened flat, dropped sharply, and yes, the previous candle has also left a stronger tail out there. And on the weekly charts, one must not forget that what it is trying to do is it is trying to come back to this zone at 1800. So it will complete its journey in few weeks from now. We may see it completing this journey. This is the volume or price gap which it might try to fulfill, and which it is trying to do. It can try to do it in a quick succession. That is very much possible. Also look at the weekly charts. Now trading below this, possibly one can expect that we may see a little bounce back from here, but now 2200 is going to remain an important resistance level. And yes, trading about 2200 and 2260 is only something which will make it considerate for a reversal, else it will continue to drop. Now this is just on the weekly charts, and let's have a look at the daily charts. First we'll look into the charts and then followed with the indicators. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, this is a series of successive red candles. It is trying to trade in this channel, and you can see the bottom is achieved. The highs, if and also on the near term, you will see the high is at around 2150 and 2160 zone. If it breaks 2160, one can expect 2200 and 2220, and if it breaks 2220, one can expect a sharper rise. Else below 2100, one can also expect that it may try to drop again. So a minor retracement then followed with drop. It can try to breach 2000 levels on the daily chart. This can be expected. Till the time it trades below 2220, one can expect that we are going to look forward to 2000 levels in few weeks, and hence any rise till 2200 2220 levels is a good level to go short on silver. Now look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, this is a breakout candle. A strong breakout has been seen. We had not seen any reversal as such, and yes, it is trying to give you equal size of candle where almost we have seen 2500 to 2300 levels, $200 or more, and from here 2300 to it may try to give you sharper red candle which will try to take it below 2000 levels. This is also possible. The next resistance is going to come back till 1800. This is going to be the support at 1800 levels. So yes, you can take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators whether the indicators are also trying to do the same. And first let's have a look at the indicators on the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts, you will find that, see, this is the retracement after this drop which it is trying to achieve here, because the 4-hour charts are oversold, so it is trying to retrace back. How far this could go? The next resistance zone is at around 2130 and 2145 levels. So in between 21 and 30 and 2145, I will be cautious. From here it can again try to drop back. The lows, if you look at on the 4-hour charts, the next time if you look at 2000 levels, definitely it may try to breach till the time it trades below 2150 2200 levels. That is what is confirmed on the 4-hour charts too. And also look at the directional movement is bearish, though it is trying to converge on the 4-hour charts. And if you look at the stochastic is 4-hour charts has been now into overbought levels, and hence it can try to come back down again. So if it drops till 2050, one should not be surprised. Look at the MACD, it has just crossed over here on, this is just the first green candle after the crossover. So on MACD, this is just the first bigger candle on the after the crossover, and it is divergent. Possibly couple more green candles can be expected, which might take it towards 2130, 2145, and in fact 2160 levels too. Look at the stochastic, this is looking upwards on the 4-hour charts. Now let's come back to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, you will find that, see, first point, now the 20 period moving average is well below the 150 period moving average, and it is diverging, it is increasing with time, indicating more bearishness in the near term from what we have seen since last 50 or 100 days, and that is what is indicative of more bearishness here. Also look at this, in fact the 50 and 100 period moving average are also trying to cross over, indicating more bearishness in the near past. So yes, right now it is trading with a bearish bias, but at the same time it is hit the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence a little retracement can be expected. The first target could be at around 2145, and then 2160 levels can be seen. Beyond that, it will try to hit 2200, and from there a drop can be expected. MACD, or sorry, directional movement is still bearish, it is divergent, strongly bearish indication. Look at the stochastic on the daily chart, this is oversold and may try to reverse or retrace back up on the upside. MACD is wide divergent, indicating bearishness. RSI is oversold. Whenever we have seen silver either hitting a overbought or oversold zone, it has tried to reverse the trend, and now probably we may see again a little reversal, which will try to bring it back on the upside till towards 2200, 2220, and plus levels are also possible. But let's have a look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, you will find that silver is also trading below the 20-50-100 moving average. So now this zone at 2400, 2500 is something which is going to provide a very critical resistance, and this is the level which we should wait for any considerable long position on silver, else it is going to head towards 1800 and 1600 levels in the near future. Also look at on the weekly charts, it is trading at the outside of the Bollinger Bands, indicating that it may try to cover it back up on the upside. Look at the directional movement, it is extremely divergent, indicating strong bearishness here. Also the weekly stochastic is trading at the bottom, so mostly a little reversal on the upside can be expected. But the MACD, the stochastic is divergent, the MACD is just, this is on the weekly chart, this is just the third red candle, and hence one or two more red candles cannot be denied here. It has still got some scope, as it is hardly the second candle after the crossover. The RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the monthly candle, on the monthly candle you will find that it is trying to hit at least 2000 levels, which is going to be a very strong support levels, and below that we may see it hitting 1800 levels soon on the charts here. MACD on the directional movement on the monthly charts is trying to cross over on the sell side, and stochastic looking downwards here. MACD is still bearish and it is trading with a bearish bias. RSI looking downwards. So considering this, now let me give you the trading levels for next. So one can go long on silver at 2122. Beyond this, see very nearby resistances at 2130, 2145. If this is taken, then one can expect 2160, 2180. So till here, till 2160, it can reverse any point of time and drop again. Beyond 2180, one can expect 2200 and 2222 levels, and if it breaks 2220, then only I will consider this as bullish. Then the next target is 2260 levels. In between there are minor resistances, but yes, beyond 2220 I will consider this as bullish reversal. Till the time silver trades below 2220, I will not recommend you to remain long. Any rise is a good rise to sell or short silver, mark my words. Now on the downside, if you look at, if it breaks below this zone at 2080, you can expect here, you can go short. One can expect that it is trying to hit 20 60, which is going to provide a little support. Then 2045, this is going to provide a little support. If it breaks below this, 2000 levels are definitely it is going to achieve. Mark my words, 2000 levels it should achieve, and below 2000 levels one can expect a sharper drop till 1970 and 1920 levels. Below that, sky is the limit. I don't expect, probably a little retracement on the upside can be expected, and yes, next to next week I'll be watchful of. But yes, overall till the time it trades below 2220, one can expect that silver is going to break hard, and it is going to definitely hit 1800 levels in the near future. So this is, again, mark my words, it is going to hit definitely 1800 levels in the near future. So take your positions accordingly, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my Telegram channel. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch also. You can join my mentorship batch daily 90 minutes, 15 days, and yes, lifetime support. You can, the strategy taught will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Reach out to me for more details, and also you can be part of my VIP signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.